Hi guys, today we talk about how can you disable send last location on your iPhone. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse, you just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to your settings. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down here. Then you click here on privacy and security, just click on it. You come to next here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on location services here. Then you come to next here, you click here on share my location. Then you click here on find my phone. You come here to send last location, click in this sign or this color. So like you see color, it's gone, that's missing last location disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.